these are the manually edited Super. I've already edited the Super. Now you come to Android Motor Tools and read Partition Manager. This procedure was performed on a Tecno CM6. With the test build number. I have already backed up the Super and Pro info, and I've already edited them. So now I'm going to format some specific partitions on the form. As you can see, you have to select these partitions. You select and erase them. And you restore them back. You restore the edited Pro info and the Super, the ones you've already edited. You restore them back to the form. The Super editing was done manually. I did that manually. So if you want to learn how to edit the Pro info on all these phones, you should contact me. You should join our private group where I'll be teaching you how to do all this editing. Step by step, everything in detail. Now you have to reboot the phone and allow it to finish setup. Then you open an unissued tool. You open the tool and start your bypass procedure. First you go to the MDM tab and select MTK and SPD. And you select SPD Bypass New 2026. You can select the SPD, you can select the MTK, all you do it the same thing, it's the same method. Then the next one, you have to fix Play Store so that you remove the Play Store app on your phone. This process will remove the Play Store and now install Aurora Store on your phone. And you disable Play Store. So, in order to get more of this kind of videos, like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video.